Alright, new frenzy characters, new frenzy characters, new resurrected characters. Let's see exactly what they got going for them. Load, please. Now character packs. Zabimaru is good for DR. Hyorinmari and Haineko are kind of mediocre at this point. I'm hoping for frenzy on at least Haineko. I mean, she was more of a nat unit, right? 709 attack, 691 spiritual pressure, damage reduction, fire duration. Berserker 40, Bruiser 60, trash. Hyorinmari 683, 710 SP. Soul Reaper, strong attack damage is the attainable. No frenzy, trash. 714 attack, 661 spiritual power. Yeah, she was more of a nav unit. And no frenzy. Trash. So, like, honestly, guys, if you buy the character packs, just keep in mind that these characters are all pretty trash. Like, even their kits are bad. So, like, the only thing that Haineko has going for her is that she has a vortex for her S2. Zabimaru has a vortex as well. But, like, without frenzy, you're not getting the, like, crazy hits on guild quests. So, like, I don't know. For me, it's an easy skip. If you're pay to play, maybe you can pick up the character packs just for the orbs. But, like, like, I don't know. They're pretty whack. Like, I'll be real with y'all. This resurrection is trash.